we start off with a script and like emotions, and I like to edit my dialogue and build my dialogue as I go along. And like a method now I can do it. You know, I've been here to.
There we go. Hey guys. Big oil tanker up there. We lifted it in here with a very large crane and then set it into place. And I hope they set the parking brake on it. And sometimes we get a director who doesn't want beautiful Florida sunshine. He'd rather have a big rainstorm. And time is money in the movie business, so we just can't sit around waiting on Mother Nature to give us rain. No. We have to be able to provide it all on our own. And we can do that here in the canyon. In fact, we can make rain in the canyon right on cue. And ladies and gentlemen, here is your catastrophe canyon rainstorm. Created by high-pressure water nozzles over our heads and just out of camera range. And we blow that water out in a crisscross pattern, makes it look like it's raining in the entire canyon. It's actually just raining about as far as it's struck up there. And wait a minute, Kay. C1, is that the... Whoa, hold on! It's the earthquake scene! Ah! Hang on, everybody! What's that word thing? The word take's gonna break my...
Just like this, using the same winds and rain effects. Let's take a look at those monitors and I'll show you how this is showing. Use your binoculars. There you go. Bring them up. That way. When all of a sudden, out in the distance, you see an enemy battleship. You spot it, you make a solution, and now you launch a torpedo right through our battle sections. Torpedoes away, Captain. Nice shot, sir. Oh, goodness. That was one of ours, Captain. Look, you're done. Holy smokes, see that? Enemy planes coming in. Close. I am so glad that is over with, aren't you? Captain, Theos, coming in from all directions, so get closer and closer, Captain! You're a dead duck! Oh! Alright, you and I monitors will play that, Captain Duck.
I'm going to point out just a few of the props that we have here in the workshop. To my left, these are some of the pods that were used in the movie Cocoon. Also from Cocoon is that dolphin head. The golden robot is Johnny 5 from Short Circuit number 2. Right above Johnny with 8 legs, 2 fangs, and an attitude and a big paw from Arachnophobia. The silver UFO is one of the oldest props. It's from the day the Earth stood still. This dog head over here is Hooch from Turner and Hooch. The candlestick is from the Deaf Poet Society. And I'll tell you a little bit more about it. This Annie, something I should admit. Hey! What are you trying to say? That's right, the cameo windmill. But why don't you show them where they're going, Annie? Well, very good, thanks. Folks, Annie's going to our special effects shooting stage.
Director Diener. He's going to be operating a meter control camera in the front of the ring. And more importantly, we have two aspiring actors. On top we have Nicholas, and on the side we have Davey. They're going to be riding to be in a scene from Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. But first, let me show you how a blue screen like the one behind me can make people and objects appear places they're not. Watch your monitors. Back of this giant bee on the wildest ride of your life. So when I yell action, I want you to wave your arms and kick your legs and look real scared, okay? Camera ready.
Camera's ready.
And action. Okay, guys, wave your arms. As you can see, our viewer makes stationary on the floor. It's our computer-controlled camera that's making it appear to fly. Keep it up, guys. You're doing great. Cut. Deidre, can we set up for a second shot, please?
Setting up.
Cousin, well, you better save him anyway. It's only the movies, okay? Camera ready.
Camera's ready.
Rolling. Reach up, Davey. Reach down, Nicholas. Oh, great. And cut. Look at the tear on that face. In the original movie, all of these elements were shot with simple on film, but today we're using video so we can see the results right away.